Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A cylindrical pencil sharpened at one edge is the combination of what figure? And given are the options. So first of all, draw a shape that looks like a cylindrical pencil with sharpened edge at one of its edge. So this is a kind of figure or shape will obtain. So this is our sharpened edge that we can see is looking like a cone, and this part is the cylindrical part which is looking like a cylinder. So we can say that the cylindrical pencil is a combination, a cylindrical pencil sharpened at one edge is a combination of a cone and a cylinder. Therefore, we can say that it is a combination of a cone and a cylinder, which is option C. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option C.